Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an IELTS vocabulary test. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the meaning of confer? The correct option is A. Exchange ideas. Question 2. What is the meaning of concurrent? The correct option is C. Happening together now. Question 3. What is the meaning of conclusion? The correct option is B. End or result. Question 4. What is the meaning of concept? The correct option is A. An idea or principle. Question 5. What is the meaning of conflict? The correct option is D. A serious disagreement. Question 6. What is the meaning of context? The correct option is B. Nearby details. Question 7. What is the meaning of contact? The correct option is D. To communicate. Question 8. What is the meaning of confine? The correct option is B. Keep within limits. Question 9. What is the meaning of conform? The correct option is A. Follow rules. Question 10. What is the meaning of consequence? The correct option is C. Result of an action. Question 11. What is the meaning of consist? The correct option is A. Be made of. Question 12. What is the meaning of constitutional? The correct option is C. Related to laws. Question 13. What is the meaning of constant? The correct option is B. Happening all the time. Question 14. What is the meaning of contract? The correct option is C. A legal agreement. Question 15. What is the meaning of consent? The correct option is B. Give permission. Question 16. What is the meaning of confirm? The correct option is C. Prove to be true. Question 17. What is the meaning of contemporary? The correct option is A. Of the present time. Question 18. What is the meaning of considerable? The correct option is D. Large in amount. Question 19. What is the meaning of consumer? The correct option is C. Goods buyer. Question 20. What is the meaning of construction? The correct option is A. Building something. Question 21. What is the meaning of constrain? The correct option is D. Limit or restrict. Question 22. What is the meaning of contrary? The correct option is D. Opposite in nature. Question 23. What is the meaning of consult? The correct option is B. Ask for advice. Question 24. What is the meaning of conduct? The correct option is D. To lead or manage. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.